Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today we're gonna do a lot of farming and spend on harvesting. Let's spend a few minutes of your day with me. I am filling my day with a simple farm life, with little fun with this nature and sadness at the end of the day and tiredness. And that's okay to feel exhausted at the end of the day with things done. Thank you God for this pleasant environment that you have given me today. Let's have start with the day. I and my brothers and sister are walking into the field for the harvesting. I hope you enjoy the video and continue watching up to the end. This is how it looks like, the paddy field. There are so many people who have never visited in the real ground. And this is my first time to harvest my own crops. It goes very interesting for first 2 days. Then you will fed up. It was Monday when we start our harvesting and I had really busy day. As we know, the lockdown have ruined our daily plans for the year. However, we are not tired of planning something else and utilizing the natural resources and the local bodies for the next plan. Working with them is very interesting and they are very kind and funny. And I love to work with them. I was touched by the hard work of the people around me. Nevertheless, it was challenging for me, but I really tried to do something, then do nothing. This is how I initiate my day, to certainly have something in my hand. These people seems like they are born for the work and they devote their life for the land and farm, for the rudimentary lifestyle. There are so many requirements to be done, but this is life for them. And I need refreshment within the work. And I film shortly and I go back to work. I can't explain how scorching hot it was. So immediately after the work done, I go for cool down my body. As earlier I mentioned, it was too hot for me to wait for a moment. As the night passes, we got up before dawn today for the work, and it was cool weather to work in the early morning. So we decided to finish the work for the day. The bright sky was welcoming us on Wednesday. It was awesome. The rough pointed straw touched on my sclera. Thankfully, it was okay. The past 4 days was like to wake up, eat, work, get tired, and sleep. You see how expert I was going in my work? Okay, let's get back to work again. I was trying to hide my brown skin from the bright sun and be protected from allergy. Because of heavy downpour, the land was all covered with water, so we had to cut it down and transfer from one to another place to dry up for the tracer. Every single hand was in work. It was about to complete. Anyway, it's done for the day. Wow! Guys, this is the Mahidol Highway. You are looking over here, and my house is in front of this. Now we were collecting the dried out paddy for the tracer tomorrow. Good morning, it's Thursday today. It's 89% work done till Friday. So now it was just left to pack up into the sack. Dad was trying to set motion with the fan, but it did not work for winnowing. However, it is a process of removing the unpleasant husks from the pure rice. This was developed by ancient agriculture. It is about 5 to 6 quintal rice from our field. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you so much, my lovely viewer, for your support and for your like, comments and subscribe. I will be coming with a new video in coming days. Stay safe, try to utilize your day. Take care, bye bye. See you in the next video.